Arvin App Review. Is it the best AI tool in this year? Hey creators, need an AI to boost your content game? I'm diving into Arvin, the AI-powered app for writing logos and more. In 2 minutes, I'll review its features, pros, cons, and if it's worth your time. Let's get started. What is Arvin? Arvin is an AI assistant available as a Chrome extension and mobile app. It uses GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 to generate emails, blogs, logos, and even summarize YouTube videos or PDFs. It's designed for marketers, students, and anyone needing quick, high-quality content. Key features. Arvin shines with its writing tools, crafting SEO-optimized blogs, emails, and social posts in seconds. Its AI Logo Maker creates stunning designs from simple prompts. You also get PDF chat, web translation, and a prompt library for instant ideas. It's like a Swiss Army knife for content. Pros. It's super easy to use. Install the extension, hit Alt+A, and start prompting. The free tier gives 30 daily credits, covering basic tasks. Logo designs are pro-level, and the content is human-like, saving hours. It integrates with Chrome and Edge, boosting workflow. Cons. The interface can feel cluttered for newbies, and advanced features like image tools need a $9.90 per month pro plan. It's internet-dependent, so offline use is limited. Some logo outputs misspell names if prompts aren't clear, and refund policies are strict. Comparison and recommendation. Arvin logo with a thumbs-up animation. Arvin's a powerhouse for content creators and small businesses. Compared to ChatGPT, it's more versatile with logo design and browser integration. For writers and marketers, its speed and templates are unbeatable. I recommend starting with the free tier to test its writing and logo tools. Have you tried Arvin? Share your thoughts below. Grab it on tryarvin.com. Like, subscribe for more AI reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.